all-purpose flour. You need yeast, which is Amira in Swahili. You need cardamom, this is iliki. You need baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now we're gonna use 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Just fill it good for 1. I'm filling it all that way. 3. 4. 5. I have a lot of kids, so I'm making a lot. And 6. So those are 6 cups of flour. I'm gonna use, so it's gonna be 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. If you don't like them sweet, you can do 2 cups of sugar. And this is yeast, Amira. So I'm gonna use, this is teaspoon, about 4 teaspoons. I'm not filling them all that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. I use 4. This is iliki. You can use fresh one, boil in the water, or you can use this powdered one. So about 2 teaspoons of cardamom. 1, 2. And then the baking powder, you don't really need that much, like half of teaspoon, like that. Then baking soda, the same amount, half of the teaspoon, like that much. And then your salt, about 1 teaspoon salt, maybe 1.5. 1.5 is fine. Okay, now these are all dry ingredients. I washed my hands earlier, so I'll mix them up. So if you were to do a small amount of mandazi, you would have done halfway, like 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, and the other ingredients you just do half of it, all that way.
So good.
So you mix your all dry ingredients. After that, I boiled some oil, so I need at least 1 cup of oil. So I'm gonna put it there, about 1 cup or maybe 1.5, but I'm just gonna put, let's say 1 cup. That much. It's hot, so you cannot use your hands. So I'm gonna use this. It's called muiko, whatever it is you can use, but do not use your hands. So that, once you mix everything, you can use your hands. It's gonna be pulled off already. So mix that. So after that, I'll probably use my hands now. I can just use my hands to mix them up. Just mix all the way until everything is mixed up. So I'm going to grab my eggs and milk and water. So we're gonna continue from where we left off. My flour is all mixed with all the dry ingredients, the baking soda, baking powder, cardamom powder, iliki, amira yeast, salt, all that is all mixed here. So after you're done with all the dry ingredients and make sure everything is mixed up, you are going to put your eggs. So I'm putting 2 eggs. One. I'm not fancy, I'm just gonna crack them in there. And then I'm gonna put 2 cups of milk. I don't remember if I say 1 or 2, but I'm gonna use 2 cups of milk. And before I start mixing, I'm gonna put 2 cups of water as well to start with. I'll probably end up adding some more water. Again, my hands were clean before, so don't feel like so this, I'm gonna start mixing them to make a dough. So 2 water and 2 milk. It's almost enough, but I don't need anything else. Interesting. So this is almost done dough for the mandazi. I'm gonna make a little correction. Actually, the liquid will be 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk, because I just find out that by putting 2, I end up adding a lot of flour, like, just adding so I can make it a perfect dough. So 2-1 is good. 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk is good. Just bear with me. Trust me, you're going to get a very yummy mandazi if you follow my instructions. Just a little correction on the water. I'm almost done. Just putting a little flour so it can stop sticking from sticking on my hands. Once it's no more sticking into your hands, then you can just put it back to the pot, and then let it sit for 2 hours, and then after 1 to 2 hours, then you can start making your mandazi. I'll show you. This is pretty much done. Okay, it's no longer sticking into my hands. So I'm putting back here into this same pot I was using. So I'm going to put here, and then I'm going to put a foil pepper. And I'll cover it with I'm going to cover this so it can rise better. When you put the yeast, will make this rise. So if you cover it well, it will rise faster. So I'm putting the foil pepper and the lid, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and then I'll start cutting them and making them. So after 2 hours, your dough is ready for mandazi making. So I cut this big old piece, and I'm going to roll it. At the same time, I have my oil over there. That's what I like. Wow. So cut those. After you cut them, go ahead and put in your set the oil. You can put more heat, like 7 or medium.
Hello guys, these are my mom's Mandazis. So they're finished, they're all cooked. Some people like them light and some people like them dark. Now in the middle of them, you have to make sure they're cooked like this. You don't want them to be too raw, just make them perfectly good. They're super delicious. If you like it, like and follow and subscribe.